Welcome to Rajasasila Holistics. Today I am using for this weekly tarot session Rider-Waite tarot cards, Atlantis card, and I am using crystals. Crystals also give very good messages. You need to know how to interpret it. As far as the law of attraction goes this week, I think you have practiced one thing. The first one I have told that you have to be optimistic to attract the law of attraction. Second thing, you have to think what you actually need. Third thing, you have to clear the space. That also I have told you. Now the actual, we will go into the law of attraction manifestation process. In this law of attraction manifestation process, you have to think that what you have got, need that you have already got. Yes, this is so simple that if you want to manifest money, then you should think that you have already got the money. And see, it's so simple. One of your friend or someone you trust most has promised you to give some money for some of your expenses, and you trust him that he is a person or she is a person if she gives a word, and it is. So in that case, when you have a financial crunch or something, that person promises you that I am giving you this money, so be without fear, that take care of all other works, I am there to support you. In that case, how much trust you put on that person, and you think that I was waiting for the money and I have got it. The only thing is, he said he will today get the money for me. So in that circumstances, how much trust you put? In the similar way, when you can trust a human being, why can't you trust the universe? It is given in the scriptures. You ask, it will be given. You knock, it will be opened. The similar way, the universe is ready to give you. It's up to you to take up it. Just have to believe it, that I am going to ask with full intention and I am going to get it. So with that confidence, whatever you want to manifest, just first you think that you have already got it and you will get it. This process of mind changing, of processing your mind, or little homework you do. So this week you do this. By next week I will tell you actually what you need to actually put on the words, how you put the words and how you manifest it. So let's quickly go into the session. So first I would like to tell you that I am a tarot reader, numerologist, Reiki master, healer and life coach. You can approach me for any personal problems of yours. I am also a golden Reiki healer. Golden healing is a highest range of healing which is new to people, but it is the zenith of healing. And also I am a member of 144 Golden Grid Conscious member. So golden healing becomes the highest range of healing, which helps to overcome with intentional healing. So rather than any symbols or any type of healing, I do intentional healing for quick remedies and all. So you can anytime contact me. So we will go into the session. Let's check the energies for Taurians. If you are not following us on Twitter and Instagram, kindly follow us. We post card of the day daily in Instagram and Twitter. The description is link is given in the description box, and also you can see the website information for Taurians. You have got 3 of Swords for health context. Finances, you have got Knight of Wands, good. In relationship, you have got the Moon again. crystals you have got orange calcite and Atlantis card you have got healing. And for Taurians this week, Three of Swords in the health context says that there is nothing, no problem in your body or soul, it is only in your mind which gives you mental fatigue because of some recent incident happening. You are always thinking about it, you are over anxious, you are afraid, you are scared, you are anticipating bad in your life, so that makes you feel lethargic, weak, fatigued, fearful, and all your energy is draining out. So you need to declutter your mind and make you mentally fit so that your health is also fit. Only 20% positivity. And finance, business and career, you have got Knight of Wands. It is a very good card. You can put lot of action, you can put lot of things, your creativity will work out, you can work very hard. This is the time to work hard for your career development, put new ideas, put new things in your business. And if you are into share market, this Knight of Wands is a good card which tells you that there is possibility of getting good returns out of it. By putting creative ideas, we can give 70% positivity. In relationship, there is Moon. It says that something is going behind, someone is there who is creating problem in your life. A third person is involved. That person may be someone you may know or you may not know. That person is taking chances in your life to create problem. So be careful. Don't tell everything in your heart to that person. That person may take all the necessary information from you and do something bad against you. So be careful. That's what this card wants you. Only 20% positivity. And in Atlantis card, you have got the card healing. You may need a boost of spiritual, Reiki or emotional healing. That's what this card says, that you, because of some anxiety or some recent incident, you have lost your power of logical things and calmness. So you need some external help like Reiki or some other healing source who can help you to heal yourself and get back and bounce back in your life. So it is advised for you to go for some sort of healing, and this period is very good for healing to work upon you. That's what this card says. And orange calcite says that you need to gather your strength. This card, this crystal explains, orange calcite explains about energy and healing and crystal with courage, and also you have to gather courage. And also this card is very good for activating your sacral chakra, which gives the power of passion, feelings and confidence in life. So this particular crystal, when it comes in a reading, we can take it that you have to activate your sacral chakra for courage and heal your sacral chakra to bring the maximum out of you. So if you have not subscribed our channel, kindly subscribe our channel.